Hi everyone, and welcome to day 10 of Take 5. Are you ready to get stronger? Answer is yes, because you're still here and we're on day 10. Let's go in 3, 2, we go to plank. So we're in the top of that push-up. Core is nice and tight, our belly is firm. Good, and then we're just gonna very slowly start to lower down to those forearms. So right and left, and I want your fingertips facing forward, your low belly hugging in and up, okay? We're gonna drop both of our feet to the right. So your core is engaged. You're just holding those heels over to the right for 4. Keep your hips up, 3. Good job, 2. Now bring those knees through center. Go to the other side with your heels. Now belly is still strong and engaged. Hips are elevated. Super strong hold, 3. Core tight, 2. Come back to center, good. Now widen your feet, okay? Keep your core up and engaged, and then you're gonna either step your toes out and in or jump. Ready? 10, 9, 8, 7. You're stepping, you're jumping, okay? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. High plank, one hand and then the other. So back to that push-up position. We go heel for heel. Lift, 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 lift. Did you know your glutes, part of your core, back, shoulders, core? Yes. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Knees down, quick flip. We go to our backs, okay? So scooch and then lay. Beautiful. Now, legs up high. Opposite hand, opposite foot. Reach, 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 reach. Good. Lift, lift. You're about 2 minutes in, guys. Keep on working. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Good. Now, one leg lowers, one leg stays up. Okay? Your job is to push up to the ceiling. Up. So it's reverse crunch. Up. Good. Up. Now, if that's too much, you can bend your knee and you can push like this, which makes life a lot easier, okay? 4, 3, 2. I'm gonna do it this way because of my hip flexors. 1, they're feeling real tight. Both legs up, start here or here, curl tight, lift, lift, lift. Come on, engage. 4, 3, still hard. It's just that I've lost that hip flexor action on the right. 1, good, both legs up, opposite hand, we reach, go up, 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 up. Good job. Come on. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Sit up, quick flip, okay? So we're gonna exhale to the top of that push-up again. We go in 3, 2, here. Good. Now again, heels up, 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 up. Good. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, come on, 2, 1. Perfect. Now engage your core. Good. You're gonna reach your right hand forward, shake someone's hand. Left hand, right hand, left hand, right hand. Good. Reach, reach, reach. Nice. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, come on, 3, 2, 1. Put your forearms down again, palms flat, engage that belly. We jack in 3, 2, step or jump, go. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Lower the belly. Now, tops of your feet are down. This guy is hard, okay? Press down into your feet. Hopefully it feels good, shoes or no shoes. Come up, come down, come up, come down. Woo, how about 4 more? 1, settle, 2, settle, 3, settle, last one. 4, settle, come up to forearm plank. Good, tight hold. 3, 2, high plank. Tight hold, come on, come on. And done. Woo, crushed it. Day 10, guys. Thanks so much for joining me for Take 5. Good work.